Hello everyone, and once again welcome back to the Science Coach, and in today's video we are going to discuss about top 7 low GI food items that are the secret to your weight loss journey. So let's get started. Okay, so the word GI means Glycemic Index. This is the measurement of how quickly the carbohydrates are going to be digested in your body, leading to the spike in the blood glucose level in your body. The foods which turn out to spike the level of glucose in the body, they are called high GI foods. And the foods which turn out to slowly digest the carbohydrates in your body, they are termed as low GI foods. So according to ADA, that is the American Diabetic Association, the food is categorized into low GI, medium GI and high GI food. So before discussing how this low GI food is going to help you in your weight loss journey and how this low GI food is a miracle to the diabetic and the heart patients, let us play a small quiz. So you have to pick a low GI food according to you. Okay, so round 1. Which will you prefer as your low GI food in your breakfast? Cornflakes or multigrain bread? Cornflakes are processed to make the starch easily digestible, while multigrain bread contains high fiber such as flaxseed, oats, and they are good for controlling the blood sugar level. The GI of the cornflakes is 81, while the GI of brown bread is only 48. Round 2. Which one of the above fruit you will pick as your low GI fruit? Watermelon or apple? Watermelon contains 90% water. Sugars in the watermelon, they are easily digested. While in apples, they are high in fiber and they contain natural sugars, and our body absorbs these sugars very slowly. Yes, apple are the kings of fruit. It contains only 29 GI. Low GI food are really a miracle. But how? Pace of conversion of carbohydrates into glucose is slow in low GI foods. Therefore, we never get hungry quickly. You must have seen that people have a really bad habit of munching. This is because they usually intake high GI foods. High GI foods like wheat flour, maida, chocolates, jams, sweets, baked items. So all these foods, they are processed food. And the processed food, they are easily digestible because our digestive system has nothing much load to digest that food. As the food is digested quickly, we get hungry. If we shift to a low GI diet, then we will not feel urge to eat quickly. So let's move to the main section of this video, that is the top 7 low GI food items.